everyone, my name is Jen Blaze and today I'm going to do another tutorial with you. Today I'm going to be using the cutest little palette to ever grace this side of the galaxy. This is the Child palette inspired by the Mandalorian series, which is one of my favorite series. I'm obsessed with Star Wars, if you couldn't tell. My Star Wars tattoos, I got Darth Maul, I've got Darth Vader, and I plan on getting Mando and Boba Fett here soon. And I'm going to be doing a tutorial with this little palette. I love how it says cutest in the galaxy right here. I think that's just cute because he is the cutest in the galaxy. I'm going to start off by going into the shade Droid Protocol. Right here in the crease, I'm just going to do kind of like a C shape, starting at my outer corner and going out into the crease, using this Morphe E36. Droid Protocol is on, such a pretty earth tone brown. Next shade I'm going into is the dark military green called Float Your Crib. And I'm using a M152 and just putting it right on the upper outside of Droid Protocol. I feel like this look is going to be really good for my hazel eyes because this palette has some gold in it too, which I know really makes hazel pop. Fact of the day. Next shade I'm going to use Babyface, and I'm going to go in with this Morphe M506 just right up above Float Your Crib. Babyface is on. And now I'm going to put on the base. I'm going to use the shade Just Like a Tatooine right on the lid, packing it down using a Morphe M124. Beautiful base, and now I'm going to apply a little metallic. I'm going to apply the beautiful gold shade called the Force using this Alamar flat brush. Now that the Force is on the lid, I'm gonna add a little bit, I wanna use a palette a little. Now that the Force is on the lid, I wanna add a little bit more from the palette, so I'm going to put on the little green metallic shade called Sipping Soup. I'm just gonna put that right here. I left a little space between the brown and the gold on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna put Sipping Soup right there. Now I'm gonna do my face. And here's the finished face. And now I'm going to continue with the lower lash line color. Going in with this thick packing brush by Kala, I'm going to use the shade Little Frog. I kind of blended it up into Babyface to get that full seamless kind of effect. Woo. Now I'm going to take the shade Precious Cargo and put it right on the inner corner and then a little bit on the brow bone. Using this Morphe X Coca-Cola small flat packing brush, taking Precious Cargo. Highlights on the eyes. Now I'm going to put it on the actual face. I'm going to use the Morphe X Coca-Cola Bubbly Babe and the Morphe X Coca-Cola highlighting brush. Taking a pencil brush and putting Bubbly Babe just right on the bridge of my nose. Let me do liner really quick. And now time for lips. I'm going to line my lips with the Cozy Kira by the Beautiful Lip Liner. And for the actual lip part, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip in the shade Versailles. This is my favorite shade by Beauty Bakery. I cannot wait for them to expand. I cannot wait for them to expand their lip line in range of colors. I'm going to put on some gloss. I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Queen Cobra. Just gonna put on some lashes and then this look will be done. Here's that finished look. I really like this palette, however, there were 2 shades that I was having an issue with when I was applying them. I just think they just weren't pressed right because they're very crumbly and they didn't apply very well like I was hoping them to, and it's very rare that I get a ColourPop product that doesn't apply well. The Force and Precious Cargo were my 2 shades. Here they are up here. And it's a very rare thing to happen, so I don't expect it in any future ColourPop issues. I'm sure it was just this one palette, but I did have an issue with those 2 colors in my own. However, the rest of the shades applied beautifully. And this is definitely a palette that I would recommend because, I mean, this is a perfect palette for hazel eyes. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please let me know what you want to see from me next. I'll see you all next time, and stay blazed.